Morning, my fishies! Today I am trying on my July 2024 IPSY bag because just received it. I'm curious about some of the products in it. Now, I have found in my IPSY bags that there's like one good product and it's usually the one that I pick. And then there's a lot of products that I don't really like. Maybe I need to redo the beauty quiz. But I usually always get a few add-ons when I do my IPSY bag. I'm usually staying in the $3.50 to the $5 range. We're gonna play with a few of those too. This is the bag this month. The print is very pretty. So you've got like flowers and butterflies. Oh, there's a butterfly on the side. Flowers and butterflies, yellow on a light lavender field. This is what I picked in the actual bag. This is the Periwinkle and Popped Soft Sculpting Blush by Seraphine Botanicals in the shade Seashell. Very pretty. So that's a very rosy leading coral. I hope it'll work for me. And the MSRP is $24. This is the Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. That's a name, let me tell you. The MSRP for a full size is $26, but I air dry my hair all the time, so I'm totally using this. And then I got Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser, and it's still in its plastic. I'm not sure if you can really see it. But this full size retails for $24 as well. All right, and then we have the Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight in nude. And you know, I have to say, I've never been one to do the nude waterline. I'm a little nervous about it. I don't know if I want to, but I mean, that's the point of the video, right? It's just out of my comfort zone, but we need to do it. But my thing is what if I hate it? This also retails for $24 for a full size. Last for the actual bag before my add-ons is the Real Her Lip Care Oil in the shade I Am Magical, like a little gloss oil situation. The full size for this product is $11. As far as the add-ons that I got the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Bronzer. So it's a blush and a bronzer in a cream situation together. This is probably, I haven't bought new makeup in a very long time, so this is new to me, but this may not be new to everyone else. So this is in the shade Kiss of Mauve. You just take this all over your whole face. That's a little more pink than I would put up in my hairline. I don't know how I feel about it. It's a very sun-kissed look, that's for sure. I got the Chica Beauty Fiesta Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm excited about this one. This one's cute. The packaging's just cute with the banner. These colors are awesome. Look at this. So you have lots of nude shades that you can do everyday eye looks, do good base, and then you have these pops of color. And this green looks gorgeous. I don't think we'll play with that one today. Just look at that pigment. That just, hold on. Whoa. And that's a matte. Wow, that's a nice color. You have lots of mattes, and then you have a few shimmers to add some spice to the look. And last but not least, I actually got a full size of this. But this is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow in the shade After Hours. So it's a highlighter. It's on the golden side. Now that we know kind of the main features of the look that we're gonna do, not the main features, but the main stars, let's get into doing the makeup. I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer first. This is the Mud Masky Leave Me On Winter Mask. I always start with my under eyes because that is where I would like the most moisture, so I want to put the most product there. And take it over the rest of your face. Oh my gosh, I think I'm getting sick. My tonsils have been swollen for days and it kind of just hurts at this point. I'm going in with my Aquaphor Lip Repair Immediate Relief. I always take this on my under eyes, and this really seals in the moisturizer that we just put on, and it really helps with creasing and just keeping your under eye locked in all day. My personal process is to save as much time as possible during my makeup routine. So next I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow primer, and while that is drying down, I'm gonna spot conceal on my face because I don't really wear foundation ever. So we just do spot concealing here for the most part. So I'm gonna take my primer, dot it on my eyelids. I do see a huge difference when I do not wear primer. I get major creasing. My eyelids are just kind of oily in general. The color just doesn't stay in its place or as vibrant throughout the day. For my base, I'm not going to put on a foundation, but I am going to use a foundation to spot conceal. I'm going to use the Tier Cushion Foundation. This is the shade 21C Cool Ivory. So I'm just gonna go in with a dense brush. Get a little product on there, on my little acne scars here. Now, I do find when I do this, I have to work pretty fast because it does dry down. You can totally use a concealer for this if this is how you like to do your base too. Now, let's go into the Chica Beauty Fiesta palette. I'm gonna start with this lightest shade, a fluffy brush, because this one is just gonna like take away the tackiness of the primer we put down so that all the other colors can go on smoothly. Does anyone else get their IPSY bag like way late in the month? This is the end of the month. I just got my IPSY bag for this month. Maybe you've had it for weeks and you've moved on at this point. I don't know. This one doesn't really have like a dark brown for an outer corner crease, and that's usually my go-to look. Let's go in with this second brown here. This is going mainly on the crease. This is our first real bit of color here. The payoff is nice on these. They're easy to blend. The color payoff is good. I don't know anything about this brand, so I don't know retail level this is. I'm guessing probably mid-level. Honestly, this one doesn't look that orange in the pan, but on my eye, it's looking kind of orange. Let's try this pinky shimmer. Just gonna pop this in my... Oh, that's very pink. Whoa! I love it. Wow. That's pretty. I like it. We're gonna stay in this palette. I'm gonna go into this darkest brown. Same brush because that's how I roll. Don't want too much because we're just doing the outer corner here. It's kind of like a rusty color. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. Now it's time to try. I'm scared, but we're gonna try this. I'm worried about it. I feel like I want to use this more as a blush and not a bronzer. The Complexion Rescue Blonzer from Bare Minerals in mauve. Mauve is a blushy color. Okay. Let's start on the cheeks and see what happens. Tiny amount. We're not going crazy here. I'm concerned. Start here and see how we like it. Definitely gives like a I've been out in the sun look. You know what? I can see it as a... Alright, okay. I'm seeing it as... I can see it as a bronzer now. Alright, we'll see. Just gonna dot this like so. Come down on the cheeks again. You can always add a little more there. Oh, it's looking pink up on my forehead. It's not bad. I kind of like it. It's growing on me. It's cute. I'm looking very pink. Pink, but also orange. Did the eye look and the bronzer like magically perfectly work together? That's nice. It's subtle. It's growing on me. Before we go any further, I'm going to color correct my under eye because that's a must do for me. I feel like once I finally get some brightness under my eye, I'm like awake. Better. I look more like a person. I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in 110. Okay. That seems excessively bright today for some reason. The next products are going to be powder, so we're going to go in and set. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. I don't know. Ugh. Okay, we're gonna do it. Going in with the Tarte Fake Awake eye highlighter that always throws me. And I'm just going on my lower waterline. What if I actually love this? See, it just adds this weird line in the middle of my pupil, or my iris. That's the part I'm like, Do I look more awake? Once I get my eyeliner on the top and mascara, this could be amazing. Next, let's try Seraphine Botanicals Periwinkle and Pop Blush in Seashell. And grab a blush brush because we are not pink enough. The eye awake thing is growing on me. That pigmented that brush very fast. I'm gonna take the excess off on my hand. Oh, hello. It is pink. It is almost neon pink. Oh boy. Good thing we're going all pink today. I'm gonna take it into my eye to kind of tie it together. The color is very pretty. I just feel like at this point in the makeup process, we are quite pink. It's a look. I feel like this gold may not work with this, but going in with the Wander Beauty After Hours highlight, this may work with the pink. Ooh, actually, I think it does. It's subtle. I like it. Let's go in with some brows. This is Revlon Color Stay Micro Brow Pencil in Soft Brown. Is it new? I don't know. I don't know if the shade is new or if the product is new, but the package said new on it. I'm gonna use brown eyeliners. So going in with the brown pencil. This is the Mary Kay Waterproof Eyeliner in brown. Just gonna go up in my lashes Not even on the tight line if possible, but in the lashes. Going for the liquid eyeliner, the NYX Epic Ink Liner in brown as well. So with the eyeliner now, I see the eye highlight is growing. What if this is like a new thing for me now? Like I discovered a new thing. Isn't that always exciting when you actually take a chance on something that scares you and then you love it and then it like changes your life? That's awesome. Going in with the Wet n Wild So Defined mascara. Once I get my eyes on, it's like the whole look comes together. I like this look a lot actually. Since the Real Her I Am Magical lip care oil is clear, I'm gonna go in with the Real Her moisturizing lipstick in the shade No Filter first. Let's go into this lip care oil. Flavorless and scentless, which is good. Okay, wow. It really all came together. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really enjoyed all of these products actually. This is cute. Like, it really gives a nice warm sun-kissed look. It was intimidating, but it worked. It turned out really nice, especially with the whole like blush craze happening right now. The pinkiness of this bronzer really worked out. This is gorgeous. The pigment is strong. The highlighter is very pretty. It just blends really nicely into the pinky blush. But let me know what you got in your IPSY bag because I'm curious. Like, what did I miss out on? But I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day and God bless you. See you next time.